The subtropical evergreen forest is a unique biome that includes high species diversity, proficient rainfall, and is a little-known biome. Many of the physical and environmental attributes of this biome are shared with a few other types of forests, which makes it incredibly different. Subtropical evergreen forests, also called oak, laurel, and montane forests, are located in subtropical mountains and intermediate elevations. They mostly cover southeastern U.S., which includes Florida, southeastern Asia, which includes China, some parts of southeastern Australia, southern South America, and eastern Central Africa and Ethiopia. The southern tip of Florida is classified as subtropical broadleaf evergreen forest, with the rest being a southern pine forest. The subtropical broadleaf evergreen forest also is located in China. The trees in the broadleaf forest include trees of the laurel and magnolia families. Another map to look at is Florida. As you can see, much of Florida is of subtropical influence. The last map is the biomes of China. The light green is the subtropical evergreen forest, while the dark green closer to the bottom is the tropical monsoon forest. The climate in Florida is relatively stable. According to the climate graph, the temperature is fairly average throughout the year at 75 degrees Fahrenheit or about 25 degrees Celsius. More precipitation tends to occur in the summer and fall months. Annual average rainfall is about 150 centimeters and cannot get below 13 degrees Celsius. Excluding Florida, this biome does occur in mountainous regions. Monsoons are a contributing factor, as monsoons bring heavy rain in the summer that can cause floods. Remember, the forest is located in southeastern China and Japan, and as you can see, the dates for monsoon season are late spring and early summer. Florida is a different story. Although monsoons are not an issue, they are very similar to hurricanes. The warming temperatures and wind patterns from the ocean drive these hurricanes to drop loads of rain onto the soil. The soils are laterite in the subtropical evergreen forest biome. They tend to have a reddish-orange color because of nutrient leaching. The red color is due to the high amount of iron oxides, and the leaching is due to the humidity and heavy rain. The biome itself has not shifted much over time, being that it is located in between temperate deciduous forest and tropical rainforest. Because of this distinction in forests, there is obviously a forest ecotone that can probably be further explored for the plants and animals that live on these edges in the near future. Since this biome is relatively similar to a tropical rainforest, the trees do have a canopy and understory. The canopy is not usually stratified. Mosses and lichens are extremely prevalent in the understory. According to the textbook, several temperate broad-leaved deciduous trees occur in this forest, but as the climate gets colder, broad-leaved evergreens are gradually replaced by deciduous trees or conifers. Magnolias occur frequently in the forest as well. Many plant species have waxy leaves to retain their moisture. The picture on the right is a lepidodendron fossil. This massive tree with scales existed 300 million years ago in the subtropical habitat. Another example of flora include hydrangea flowers. These flowers grow exceptionally well in wet soil. Their color is also determined by the soil's pH. The more acidic it is, the flower will turn blue. The more basic, it will become pink. Because of the laterite soil being acidic, these flowers will most likely turn blue. Fauna include the mountain lion, panda, the Taiwanese black bear, and the sloth, all of which are threatened. The sloth uses camouflage and slowness to get away from its predators. Humans have a negative relationship with these forests as agriculture, mining, and deforestation all affect species habitat. Reducing the carbon pool for the entire Earth is not good. Climate change and global warming are becoming huge problems that threaten anything that is living. Efforts to plant more trees have already started. According to a study done in China, the more urbanized it becomes, the less amount of area per person. This amount is even less when it comes to agriculture. In the second graph, there is a direct relationship between population rise and forest decline. Agriculture also steadily increases. The subtropical evergreen forest is a one-of-a-kind biome with many interesting traits. If we don't do something now to save the trees, many bad things can happen.